Hey Glow Gang, so if you want to see how I got this installed and what hair I'm using today, make sure you stay tuned and watch how I do it. Alright y'all, so it's Saturday morning. It's not morning, it's Saturday. It is like 3. It's 3:41. I'm about to get ready so we can go. This happens every Saturday. We get up late and we leaving late, so, and I got stuff to do today. So I have to do an install, record for TikTok, and then I'm going to get in the shower with baby girl, and then I gotta get dressed. And I'm going to try and do all of this in an hour. I don't know how, but I'm going to try because it takes me a minute sometimes. So let's get this together. Let me actually lay out clothes first and record. Let's do that together. All right, so watch me. I'm going to go ahead and use my Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil on these bad boys.
Yo, AML. Everybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things.
Alright. Alright, so this is the Essentials Lace Wig HD High Definition. And this is endorsed UNV. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this. And when I say prepare, I'm gonna take her out of the bag. So she's been in the bag for a while. Unclip everything. See, like she still got little rollers in her hair to keep her little shape. She's cute. I'm gonna take the tag off of her, and then I'm gonna turn it inside out and take my airbrush legs and we're gonna spray the lace with that.
But I lied, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cut.
And then I'm gonna take a brush and just brush it. So that's closer to the skin, as you can see.
On this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it with it.
Alright, so I had to put it on. The lace is still connected. So the lace is back on, and the hair is on. I just gotta cut the lace, as you see. But look at that. I gotta go through and clean it, wipe off some of that stuff, but look at how we're looking. It looks good. So I'm gonna put it in the ponytail and then go ahead and flip it and then go ahead and glue it. Put on the wig. I'm gonna try it a little different this time because usually I cut my lace first and then put it on, but I'm gonna try it this way first.
I wanna be down.
and put that on. I already cut my lace with these two things. This is what it's looking like. Trust the process, because this I don't do. So we're gonna go ahead, and that rat tail comb that we were using, I just take my hands along the bottom and make sure I got all the glue off of it. And I go ahead and part my hair up part where I want the baby hairs. So my hair is like done in like the little, how I like my baby hairs. So I just try and like get it out my face a little bit. Take my tweezers and I'm gonna pluck.
We tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit.
I just make sure I cut all of my little edges to my desired liking. You see this one over. That's fine. I think I'm gonna cut these down a little bit longer.
Cut, though I'm not the same, man, and I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand, I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.